Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. Yay! Woohoo! This time we've got a little guy. It's a little orangutan. I'm not sure how it is. Very little eyes there. In fact, the hair covers the eyes. So if we were to use this as a proper puppet, we probably would want to trim the area there so you could see the eyes. But this is a cool one. It is filled with like a beanbag type material down here. It's got a little tiny mouth, and there's something in the mouth, or was originally in the mouth. I don't know what that was, but it's there. So I'm gonna try to find a spot to cut him open. I might do it down here at the bottom and all that. So it's an Aurora plush toy. Let me get my glasses on here. Let's see here. Hold on a second. I'm trying to find a seam. This is a very hairy little guy here, and there's no. I can't find an actual seam. Actually, I might have found it. Again, I want to try and get him opened up without puncturing the little bag of stuff. Where is the seam? This little guy has been put together really well because I can't. I mean, the fur just kind of just joins. I'm trying to. Okay, let's see here. Hold on. Trying to find a spot to go ahead and I'm just going to have to figure out that. There we go. I'm just going to have to rip in there. Okay. Did I puncture the bag? No. Good. So we're going to do this. We're going to rip up the back here. Did I get the seam? Oh, wow. Yeah, I got the seam. I didn't get the actual seam, but I got right next to it, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. You turn him upside down here, and I will try and do this. Just rip him. That seam ripper does a better job, I think. Yeah. Hold on. Let's see if we can get some scissors. I don't know if these do any better. Probably better on the seam ripper. There we go. Okay. Oh, there it is. I found the opening there. Okay. Out comes the beanbag, and these are like they're little plastic pellets. But I've got those. We're going to put those down there. I got the opening right there. Let's pull out the stuffing, or some of it, because I don't think, oh man, I should have gone up higher. Oh well. This one is going to be sad because my hand is just too big to get into this little guy's body, and I didn't realize the neck was so tiny. That's pretty much it. I was really hoping to do a little puppet show with this guy, but not to be. Maybe I could do this. There we go. That's about the best I can do. It is an orangutan, little puppet. He can bob his head like this. I can do this. And that's about it. That's about it. Hey, thanks for coming along. I appreciate you joining us. For those of you who have been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for coming. And please subscribe for future updates. That's right. And we're going to say goodbye with the orangutan here and tell you, we'll see you next time. This is the DIY Magician. Bye-bye now.